another Kang announcement. All...
I'm telling you, search Heroes Wrestle Scorpions. It's on like 3 gazillion views already. What can I say? I just like making dudes fight scorpions.
Oh, sorry. It's just people have usually run away screaming or tried to set me on fire by now. It's actually quite a relief to be able to have a real conversation. After that episode in the tomb, I'm just about ready for a change of pace. In fact, I was rather hoping to try my hand at this hero lock. Do you think you could show me the ropes? Then it's set. Lead the way, teacher. And
I'm telling you, search Heroes Wrestle Scorpions. It's on like 3 gazillion views already. What can I say? I just like making dudes fight scorpions. Always have. It's not like...
That person screams. Does that mean they need help or they won some kind of cash prize? I've heard conflicting reports. Ah yes, the pulverizer. I'm painfully aware of this stage of heroism. Worry not, citizen. You have been rescued.
Get away from me!
What? But I'm... Well, that could have gone better. Let's try someone else. Maybe I need to work on my bedside manner. Hey, just think, if you're injured, you won't have to look... Another helmet. That's shame then. Is that the expression? Hey, buddy. It's okay. You're safe now.
Ah! He's hideous! Run away!
Huh? What did I do wrong that time? Third time lucky? Come on. Hopefully we can find someone else in trouble. Wait. Hoping someone in trouble is bad, isn't it? Okay. This time I'm going to try a different approach that will work for sure.
Doing exactly what I thought is just the best.
I shall show you how to swim.
Hail, Hydra, immortal Hydra, we shall never be destroyed.
No! Help me!
Okay, here goes. Hey there, buddy, don't worry, you're safe now, so submit to your safety at once! Somehow I think I'm actually getting worse at this. How does anyone actually do this job? You make it look so easy. So, is it me? Am I truly so terrifying to behold?
Did you hear that?
It would seem a different approach is required here. Something on a grander scale, perhaps. My old pal Morbius would probably have some good ideas if I could find him. Could you do me another favor? If you see Morbius, tell him Mommy is ready to initiate Operation...
That ruffian made off with old Granny Haggardly's bloomers. Can you believe that?
I heard he's in there because he stole a fish. What did he want them for?
Rumour is it's not the fish, but what he did with it that got him there.
Gracious.
Hey, give me a hand, will ya?
I'm innocent, I swear! I thought those apples were free.
That rough...
What did he want them for? Well, why not get her new ones?
With the price of bloomers these days, he'd have...
I'm innocent, I swear! I'm innocent!
I honestly thought it was my house I was looting.
I
honestly thought it was my house I was looting. I honestly thought it was my house I was looting.
Well, what did he do with it?
I probably shouldn't say, but he poured milk on it and ate it like cereal.
Gracious.
I think the cement stand the man as the king of cameos. Excelsior!
That ruffian made off with old Granny Haggardly's bloomers. Can you believe that?
What did he want them for?
Say,
Well, why not get her new ones?
with the price of bloomers these days, he'd have to save for a year.
Hey! You gotta get me out of here!
I believe I may be of some assistance here.
This seems promising!
Don't I feel stupid when those fancy Nueva York fellas come gallivanting?
Whatever you did, it's opened one of the locks. So, I guess you just do that for the others. What's that? Mummy sent you? He explained everything in his letter. As much as I'd love to help my old bandage buddy out, I've got problems of my own here. The locals here are not big fans of monsters. I don't want to get too into it, but there's some seriously antiquated opinions at large here. What's not so antiquated is the lock on this door. Looks like they picked up a few pointers from their modern neighbors when they set this up. Help me bust it open, and then we can talk about helping Mommy with his business. Very good. Now, about getting this door open. See that guard over there? He's the one who locked me in here, so he is probably a good place to start.
I've noticed no one.
What's going on out there? That did something. What? I can't another lock opened. Yeah, keep it up.
So, are dragons actually real or not? Because I was just using them to scare the little ones into not going into dark, scary caves on their own. Yet, I'm sure I saw one.
Third lock opens, inching me ever closer to sweet freedom.
I'm surprised we don't have the technology to make this whole Kang thing go away. Unless we do, and it's just buried under all of the other cool stuff, like the self-cleaning waffle iron.
Sweet freedom! Thank you, my friend! Now I am finally free to satisfy this burning hunger! I don't suppose you saw an open burger stand on your way here? Well, never mind that for now. There is much to be done to ensure that the world opens its eyes and accepts that monsters are people too! Stay tuned, friend, for things are about to get monstrous! But in a good way.
An interesting item.
That pig farmer really needs to up her security. The little blighters are constantly escaping and trading mud all over the place.
Hey, you didn't think you could be that helpful and not unlock a new Gwenpool mission, did you? Go check out that bad boy!
Well, I'm off to meet Mummy! Next stop, Hydra Empire! Ah! A monster! Tell it to someone who cares, you screeching simpleton!
Blimey, this isn't how it's meant to be.
I say, verily has my grumpy being
in Chronopolis are a bit of a mess. Yet, no one seems to...
Want to test your knowledge?
Good day, Squire. Might I interest you in a sporting challenge? Care to try your hand at jousting? If you manage to defeat my rider here, there's a reward of gold. All you need to do is aim and be prepared for the hit. Reckon you're... Grand! Jump onto old Nelly here to get started. Focus your aim. Double knockout! Oh, that had to hurt! Want to try that again? So, you've returned for some more hot joust action. Ready when you are? If you have a buddy, you can joust against each other. If not, let me know, and I'll get Winston to saddle up. Oh, sure, he'll complain, but that's what he gets for eating my yogurt.
Hello and welcome to Dung Ball. And the game is underway here on this beautiful evening. The Scarabs are out for a victory today, folks. And a Scarab goes down. This is a game as brutal as it is beautiful. This is a game as brutal as it is beautiful. hurt. He'll be sore tomorrow. And there you have it, folks. This exciting game has drawn to a close with a stunning victory.
Another climb, and this one's a doozy. Think you can get to it?